Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. We're bringing guys another video, and today we are gonna put on some headers. We got some speed engineering headers going into the car, along with the X pipe all the way back. It's pretty cool how it came with spark plugs, gaskets, O2 extensions. Yeah, let's get a little before of how the car sounds. Sorry about the noise, they're cutting grass. Ooh-wee. I can't wait for the headers to be installed. Well, we finally got the first header in on the driver's side. Took out both cats, making some progress. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, both of the headers are finally in. As you can see, they're both in. Oh yeah. Now we just gotta cut the exhaust. So we finally got both of the headers in, finally all connected. As you can see, again, got everything connected. Oh, everything's connected all the way back to the stock muffler. All the way back. Turn it on, man. Yeah. Woo. Ooh-wee. Turn it on, man. Yeah. Man, it sounds really good with the stock exhaust. Video does not do justice. I still need to change the diffuser so I can add 2 tips, and I'm also gonna add an intake as well. It's on the.
What, you looking for tractor?
It's on the stock intake. Real good, really good. It's finally connected, guys. It sounds really good. What you think? Speed engineering headers for the fucking win.
A week later, and I finally got the intake. We are about to start and putting it on. A week later, sheesh. Well, we finally got the air intake installed. It looks really nice the way it looks. And I put this little sticker right here to make it to have 20 more horsepower. Looks nice. Now we're gonna change the oil. Well, everything is on. It has a fresh oil change. It took 10 quarts. And this is what I used. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap out the rear diffuser so I can get the dual tips, and I'm gonna take off that big old muffler and I'm gonna go full straight pipe. But hopefully that will be in the next video, because right now I'm too excited with that stock exhaust because it sounds really good. Man, this installation came out clean. And I need to change out that light. I really like how the install came out. Came out pretty nice, and it sounds really good.
Visto sencillo, yo presumido, la neta que nunca soy, no tengo enemigos, pero soy un cabrón si le calavera que si tengo valor.